Good morning. My name is Sheri. I am a former math and computer science teacher at the high school level and currently the owner of Classroom Antics, where we do summer STEM camps for kids. I'm going to show you today how motion works on the keyboard with your sprite characters. I might not have said that quite clearly enough, but essentially, if you want to move your character, your sprite with the up, down, left, right keys or the WASD keys, what is the best way to program that? So we're going to start. I'm going to make my cat move with the arrow keys, and I've already got some code here. I want to set the rotation style to left, right, although I can show you if we do not no rotate all around. If we just omitted that, in fact, that'll be easier. Let's do this. If we just omitted this, what would happen, right? So there's one question. So we'll come back to that. In the meantime, I have when the up arrow key is pressed, point in direction, and this is a slider. We're going to point it up and move 10 steps. And that's going to move 10 steps in the direction that you're pointed. Okay, down arrow, point down and move 10 steps in the direction. I clicked on that by accident, so it moved down, which is giving you a hint why we might need this rotation style. Right arrow is point in the direction 90 and move 10 steps to the right. And finally, I'm going to duplicate this and make the left arrow point in direction. We're going to swing this over to left and move 10 steps. So at this point, if I use the up, down, left, right keys, I can move up, down, left, and right. Oh, I did forget to put in the next costume, which I did want to do. So let's go to looks and put in the next costume on all of these. That way his feet will move. All right. Just space these out. It probably doesn't matter. Okay. Did you notice though when we did this that he's upside down and facing right? So that's the reason we use the left right rotation. And now I have to click the green flag and now he's moving correctly. The thing you'll notice when you try this is that you have to kind of mash the keys and it doesn't move quickly. If I press and hold, it can do that, which you might not love. And you could even kind of fix that with a wait. Sorry, went to the wrong place. And wait 1 second would be too long. I think I've done 0.1 before. You can play with the seconds. So now if I do the up arrow key, see how it's a little slower? Down is crazy, up's a little slower. So you can play with that if you want to make this type of code work. But now I want to show you a different way to code this, which is in a forever loop inside with the green flag being checked. So I do want to do next costume here. I forgot to put that in. Okay. So now I've got forever. If the W key is pressed, point in direction W is up. So it's pointed up, move 10 steps. I'm going to duplicate this, stop the code, and we'll do A. WA is to the left. Duplicate that. S, past it. S is down. And finally, D, which is to the right. So now my butterfly, when I press the green flag, my butterfly, now similar to the cat moving really fast, this butterfly seems to also be going kind of fast. If you wanted to slow it down, you could put those weights in there. It probably doesn't really matter where you put it, 0.1. And you can play with the timing of it, like I said. So I'll put another one. I'll change it to 0.1 and duplicate it. Duplicate it. Nope. I want to duplicate. There we go. And now he's flying a little more slowly. But I don't have to mash the buttons. And if I do mash it, it's a smoother motion than if I mash it with the cat. So the code for the cat using the when, up, down, left, right arrows, and you can do WASD on this, right? All those options are there. Um, it works. It just works a little bit, I think, a little bit hinkier in the, if you know that word, in the applications that we use it for. It can work, but I definitely prefer and try to teach, even though in computer science we try not to teach forever loops. I think in Scratch they're just so totally useful in the way that we use them. So now our butterfly, I cannot mash it or I can mash it and it looks great. So that's your little keyboard demo, and I hope that helps. Have a great day.